So 10th class chemistry, classification of elements, the periodic table, previous public exams, questions, explanation. So for 10th class physical science chemistry part students, so previous public examination questions, models and their answers. In this hour we are going to discuss. First one, in 2018, which atom is bigger in size, neon or argon? Why? In 2018 question, which atom is bigger in size, which is neon or argon? Neon or argon? Why? So now we are going to explain. So you know inert gases. Answer for this. Inert gases are zero group elements or 8A group. 8A group or zero group elements. So they are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So we know that in a group from top to bottom, atomic size increases. That is, size means here atomic size or atomic radius. In a group from top to bottom, atomic size increases. So as we move down from helium to neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, atomic size increases. So out of neon or argon, which is bigger in? So answer is argon. First one, argon atom is bigger than neon. The reason for this one is in a group from top to bottom, atomic size increases. Atomic size increase. This is because argon comes after neon. So third element in the group. So neon is a second element in that group. That is why atomic size of argon is bigger. But this is no need to write. So these 2 points are here. In a group from top to bottom, atomic size increases. Argon atom is bigger. It is the first one. Next to one more question, students. It is came in 2018. Next to one more question. One more questions we are discussing. One more questions. Which group elements are called carbon family? Which group elements are called carbon family? Carbon family. So you know, according to our syllabus in this chapter, that is classification of elements and the periodic table. So element families and group numbers we discussed. Your teachers also discussed. So for example, alkali metal family, 1A group. Alkaline earth metal family, 2A group, 2A alkaline earth to metal family, 2A group. Boron family, boron family, third A group, boron family, third A group, carbon family, fourth A group, nitrogen family, seventh A group, fifth A group, fifth A group, oxygen family, oxygen or chalcogen family, chalcogen family, sixth A group, and halogen family, halogen family, seventh A group, and inert gases family, inert gases or rare gases, noble gases, 8A group. So these are group numbers and their family names. 1A group alkali metal family, 1A group, 2A alkaline earth metal, 3rd A group boron family, carbon family, 4th A group, nitrogen family, 5th A group, oxygen or chalcogen family, 6th A group, halogen family, 7th A, inert gases. But what is the question? Which group elements are called carbon family? So this one came in the year 2016. 2016 for 1 month. So answer is carbon. So carbon family belongs to which group? That is 4th A group or 14th group. 4th A group or 14th group. This is answer for this. So 7th A group also important, students. Halogens. Don't forget learning 7th A group. Next to one more question in the previous public examinations. One more question. So define Moseley's periodic law. Third question came in 2015. 2015 June. Define Moseley's periodic law or modern periodic law. It is Moseley's periodic law or modern periodic law. So answer is the physical and chemical properties of elements. Chemical properties of elements or the periodic functions of their atomic numbers and electronic configuration also. So this is in 2015. Now what about 2 marks questions, students? 2 marks questions came in public examination. 2 marks questions. So 2 marks questions public examination came in June 2018. 2018. An element has atomic number 17. An element has atomic number 17. Where would you expect this element in the periodic table and why? Where would you expect in the periodic table why? Sorry. Yes, whatever. Atomic number is 7. So first we want to write electronic configuration. Atomic number for this one 17 means electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So valence electrons 7. Valence electron 7 means this element with atomic number 17 will be in 7th group. And period number. This is the maximum shell number n value. It is a period number and 7th. So answer question is, what is question asked? An element as atomic number 17, where would you expect this element in the periodic table? So in third period, in group number in 7th A group, and elements last 3s2 3p5. So last final electron goes into name of the orbital p. Kabatti idi p block ani cheppochu. So in third period in 7th A group, so element with atomic number 17 is present. Why? Because it's a number of valence electrons. Its number of valence electrons is 7. Its number of valence electrons is 7. And electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So using electronic configuration we can find. So this is the answer for it. As the number of valence electrons 7, so 7th A group. And in the electronic configuration, maximum shell number is 3, so it is the third period. And its 17th electron is the final electron which goes into p subshell, so it belongs to subshell pH. So, or in another way you can write. So, in another way you can write as like this. So atomic number, answer in another way you can write as atomic number is 17, electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So group number of this one, group number, valence electrons 2 plus 5, so group number is 7th A. Period number is maximum shell number 1, shell number 2, shell number 3. N value is the maximum, that is third period number. Block name of the block, final electron goes into p, so p block element. So in the p block in the third period, in the 7th A group, atomic number 17th element can be expected. This is answer you can write. So now another question. This question came in 2018, students. One more one. How do you appreciate the special nature of inert gases? Question number 3, which came in 2018 March 2018. How do you appreciate the special nature of inert gases? How do you appreciate? So you know inert gases are zero group elements because their valence is a zero. They are stable and they do not participate in the chemical reaction. So remaining elements try to get their octet configuration. As inert gases are stable as or in another form we can write. So we know that except helium remaining all inert gaseous elements have octet electronic configuration in their valence shells. One thing. Next, inert gases are stable. So atoms of other elements. So except helium, remaining all inert gaseous elements have octet electronic configuration in their valence shell. Inert gases are stable. Atoms of other elements try to get nearest inert gas element valence electronic configuration in the chemical reactions. So atoms of other elements like oxygen, calcium, magnesium, chlorine, like that. All atoms of other elements try to get nearest inert gas element valence electronic configuration in the chemical reactions. So we appreciate the special nature of inert gases. So we appreciate the special nature of inert gases. This is the answer for this question. How do you appreciate? We know that except helium, remaining all inert gaseous elements have octet electronic configuration in their valence shell. So like that, it can be ns2 np6. You can write as ns2 np6, whereas helium has 1s2. So now inorganic gases are stable. So atoms of remaining other elements try to get their configuration in the chemical reaction. That is why they are role model for this. So we appreciate the special nature of inert gases. So next one. Question number 3rd, which came in 2016 March. Important one. So an element has atomic number 19. Where would you expect in the periodic table? Why? Here atomic number is 19 given. An element with atomic number 19. Where would you expect this element in the periodic table? Why? But first question in 2018, 17 with atomic number 17 asked. Now in 2016, student, this is 2016. 19 atomic number 19. So where would you expect and what is this? So atomic number is 19 given. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here electrons 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 6 18, and the last one 4s1. This is the valence electronic configuration for this element with atomic number 19. So 19 atomic number. So number of valence electrons here only 1. So this element belongs to 1a group. 1a group, that is potassium. And in the electronic configuration you can see principal quantum numbers, these are maximum number of principal quantum number is 3. So period number is 3. Period number is 3. And 19th electron is the last one which goes into subshell S. That is why it belongs to S block. It is a S block element. So now the given element with atomic number 19 can be found in 1a group in the 3rd period in S block, because it is potassium and its electronic configuration, that is. So like that we want to explain. So this is a 4th one, came in 2016 students. 2016 June in public examinations. So now one more question from this chapter. How does metallic character change when we move? This one came in March 2016. March 2016. How does metallic character change? How does metallic character change when we move? First one, across a period from left to right. Across a period from left to right. Across a period from left to right. And down a group. So what about this? So how does the metallic character change when we move across a period from left to right and down the group from top to bottom? So you know, in the modern periodic table, horizontal rows are called periods, vertical columns are called groups. So you know, in a period from left to right, atomic radius, in the case of atomic radius, we explained in the previous question, decreases. In a group increases, but metallic character. In a period from left to right, metallic character decreases. In a period from left to right, metallic character decreases. In a period from left to right, metallic character decreases. Next, in a group from top to bottom, metallic character increases, opposite to period. This is important one. So for 2 marks. Next, again in 2016, one more question asked, similar to previous one, about inert gases. How do you appreciate role of electronic configuration of atoms or elements in the How do you appreciate the role of electronic configuration of atoms of elements in the periodic classification 2016? How do you appreciate the role of electronic configuration of atoms of elements in periodic classification. So 2016 students. So using electronic configuration of atoms of elements. Using electronic configuration of atoms of elements. Elements are classified into groups, periods and blocks. So elements are classified in the form of groups, periods and blocks by using electronic configuration. So using electronic configuration, elements are classified in the form of metals and non-metals. So using the concept of electronic configuration in the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in the form of groups, elements are arranged in the form of periods, elements are arranged in the form of blocks like S block, P block, D block. And also elements are arranged in some places as metals, in some places as non-metals. That is why we appreciate the role of electronic. So we appreciate. Last point we want to write is, so we appreciate the role of electronic configuration of atoms in the periodic classification. That is. Next, one more question. Name two elements that have chemical properties similar to magnesium. Justify your answer. So, which came in 2015 June. Name two elements. Name two elements that have chemical properties similar to magnesium. Similar to magnesium. And justify your answer. So first we want to know magnesium comes in which group and what is the valency of magnesium. So we want to name the two elements which have a chemical property similar to magnesium. So magnesium atomic number is 12. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So it is a second A group and its valency is 2. So it is a metal. Now we want to take, for example, we are taking the calcium. Its atomic number is 20. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So now you can see number of valence electrons for magnesium 2, for calcium also 2. So it is also group 2a metal. Group 2a metal. So calcium valency electrons are similar to magnesium valency and valence electrons. So calcium is similar. Now we are taking a beryllium. Its atomic number is 4. 1s2, 2s2. It is also second A group element. So beryllium and calcium are similar to magnesium. Beryllium and calcium have chemical properties similar to magnesium because so their valency, their group number, their number of valence electrons are similar to magnesium because they belong to 2a group. Their valency is 2, their valence electrons 2, and they are metallic in nature. So beryllium and calcium have chemical properties similar to magnesium. So these are 1 mark and 2 mark questions which came in public examination from classification of elements and the periodic table in a previous public examination students. So 4 marks questions, previous public 4 marks questions can be discussed in another video. So for more information about Poly set, APRJC set, Polytechnic Diploma Physics and Intermediate Physics, so and other MSET, NEET Physics, follow this channel. That's all today's class.